Workshop 1, she ain't happy. Smoke out the back, and it's making it a bit difficult to start in the morning. So I think what we're going to have to do is check these old glow plugs. So can't go out to work if this thing isn't running properly, can I? So let's have a quick look, shall we? And I've got the other 3 out. Okay, so I've got the other 3 nuts out, and what we're going to do is just take the buzz bar off, and we're going to test the glow plugs, see which one's knackered. To be honest, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to change them all anyhow. So and that gets the nut off, and what we do is we just pull the buzz bars off each of them. That one there, and then that one there, and then the last one, which is off. Luckily they're not too bad on these, but some of them can be a right pig, and the other thing is they can snap, and well, we don't know yet, do we? We don't know if it can snap or not because we haven't exactly got it off yet. Right, let's test the glow plugs. Okay, I've got my test light. I've got another tool as well, which actually load tests the glow plugs. I've got my connector onto the power, because obviously the glow plugs go to earth. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at each glow plug. Let's see if we can. Okay, I've got 3 out already, and can you guess which one's the good one? It's this one here. As you can see, where all the carbon's been burning off and it's got hot, and these ones are not working at all. So at the moment we've got 3 out of 3, so someone loves me. So let's see if we can get 4 out of 4, and you watch. This one a snap because I've left it to the end, but it doesn't matter, I'll drill it out and sort it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, baby. As you can see, that one's black as well. So yeah, it was worth changing. And what we'll do is we'll just make sure that the actual glow plug works. We can check. Not working. Here it is. There it goes. Yeah, she lights. So what we're not doing is we're not putting the glow plug in and it's not working, and then we have to try and find another problem, which we might think's a relay, we might think's wiring, we might think why something's not working, and what it is a brand new glow plug which we've put in, and it's failed. So the idea is that don't trust new stuff. Just don't. when you nip it up, just a little nip. It doesn't need fully tightening. Don't have to go in with the big bollocks and try and stuff the next guy that's got to get it out. It just needs a nice light, and then we just put the cover on. Now this is my tip. I've got some red rubber grease, and it is your friend. I mean, if you just put it in to the end of the socket and put your little nut on there, you haven't got to start looking for nuts and stuff like that you've dropped. And you can get the job done quicker, because it takes a lot longer looking for them, and it does finding them, I'm telling you. So a little bit of red grease and you're laughing. Just a nice tap up, and that's job done. That's another little bit of maintenance done, and I haven't got to worry about it not starting in the morning, taking too much charge out of the battery, and then I have a problem later on. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okie dokie, that's done. Everyone have a good day. Workshop 1 is definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. Should be perfect then. Perfect. So everyone have a good day. If you want to subscribe and any of that, just carry on. Right, let me finish this one. You let's say, brilliant.